里是2015年上海国际铝工业展，欢迎收看铝业领袖风采访谈频道。Now let's interview Mr. Suneel. He comes from Mtlexs. And nice to meet you, Mr. Suneel.
Yeah. Thank you very much. Thanks for giving me the opportunity. I'm Suneel Mardia from Mtlexs.com. I would like to thank Aluminium China as well as Reed Exhibitions for making this exhibition a very, very big and a grand success. Thank you.
Now, first say something about your company, Mtlexs.
As I said, Mtlexs.com, it's an online B2B marketplace. I would like to say it is very simple to put it up that we are an Alibaba.com, but Alibaba has got hundreds and thousands and millions of products which they sell. We are dealing only in non-ferrous metals, that is aluminium, copper, zinc, brass, tin, lead, nickel. When I say that we are dealing in the sense that we have got people who are manufacturer, importer, exporter, trader, stockist of aluminium, copper, brass, zinc, tin, lead, nickel, as well as there are manufacturers of the machines which are used in this equipment for making this production. That is what we can say. We have a lot of content online. When I say that content, we have all the pricing, the LME pricing, the local Bombay Metal Exchange prices, the local domestic market prices of all non-ferrous metals. We have the tenders which are listed all over India, listed specifically to non-ferrous metals, are also listed on our site. We have all the projects wherein there is requirement of non-ferrous metals are also listed on our site. Then we have a very big technical data system wherein we have all the technical ASTM, ISRI standards of aluminium, copper, brass, zinc, tin, lead, nickel being listed on our site. We have even a calculator and so many other these things on our site. Our site is www.mtlexs.com. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. Mtlexs is an India company. So your view on the supply and demand between Chinese and Indian markets?
Good. Even though we are a company based out of India, we have more than 36,000 members, out of which 25,000 members are Indian and 11,000 members are Asia-wide, and some of them are even from Europe and USA. We are looking at doing what China did about 10 or 12 years back. As of now, China consumes almost 40 or 45% of the world aluminium as well as world copper production by their own country. We in India are at about say 4, 5 or 8% level. And under the regime of the new Prime Minister, Mr. Narendra Modi, we hope that we will expand much faster, much bigger, and would achieve much greater targets of aluminium and copper production. Wherein we look at Chinese partnership in the sense that China is very much advanced in the technology. So we can use some of the manufacturing companies or the technology or the consulting advices as well as the tools and other manufacturers can come to India, can tie up with the Indian companies or form JVs with the Indian companies, or some of the big companies can set up their plants in India for the requirements or for the demand of the Indian non-ferrous metal industry. Hence, this is the way we feel that the India and Chinese company can work together for the betterment of the non-ferrous metals industry.
Yeah, thank you. So India and China, they have long friendship in the past decades. So how can they work together in aluminum industry?
As I just now mentioned that we can use a lot of technology. We can use a lot of technology which is being used by the Chinese companies. The technology can be sold or formed JV in India, and the Indian companies can buy this technology, make production much more quality conscious as well as cost effective in India, and sell to the Indian market as well as try and sell to the Chinese market. So we can have an import as well as export tie-up. Some of the high value added products can be made in India and can be exported to China. and otherwise, the raw material and semi-finished goods like the billets and ingots can be made in China and can be exported to Indian companies. Lot of tools, what I can see in this exhibition, that there are so many innovative products that are being sold here. Lot of baling machines, lot of testing equipments, quality control equipments, they are all being sold, they are all being displayed over here. So all those things also can be used for sale in India. We at Mtlexs have most of these features available on our site. Apart from being putting buyers and sellers online, we also have a lot of manufacturers of the machinery to be put up online. So that means the machinery suppliers can put in their catalogs, their photos, their equipment details, everything online. They can also put their company details, company photographs, company certifications online, and the Indian companies can have a look at that, talk to the Chinese counterpart and conclude a deal whereby the machinery suppliers can supply machines to Indian companies.
Thank you very much. And maybe China and Indian aluminum industry, they can work together for the import and export area. And thank you for your time. Now it is the end of our interview. Thank you.